Watch out!
He's like, oh god! It's like that kangaroo guy. When he kicks that guy in the leg, that's the best thing I've ever seen.
Oscar's singing too.
What is your life right now?
Oscar! No mas! No mas!
That's what Justin has to.
Who's throwing up?
Throwing up right now.
God. You need to calm
Everyone's
down. She's not like that. She's not gonna eat it.
Seriously, that's gonna happen one day. I feel
He's gonna have a little doggy heart
It's
attack.
like he thinks you're gonna hurt him. I don't know.
No, he's just trying to get attention on me.
Then you should be like this to her. You should be cute to her too, not sit there and bark.
That's cute.
That worked out really good.
That was kind of funny.
That's awesome. It's really awesome.
Lily didn't like it.
She doesn't like anything.
All right, Lily.
Yeah, it's cute.
You go, girl. You go, girl.
Can we bring the sewing machine?
Yes, I was just gonna say, don't let me forget. It's on the other side of the.
I have my fabric.
Hey, Lily.
that I brought.
I think Justin Bieber would like this if you wore this beanie.
Dude, that's such a cute beanie.
Oh
So
my
cute.
gosh.
Justin Bieber, if he saw you, he'd be like, that's the best beanie.
Oops.
I would so wear that like all the time if I had one.
I wish I could have that one.
Yeah. I want one now. I want one just like it.